Assembly Athletic 500E Elliptical. Unpack your product carefully. Reading the manual is essential for product assembly. Attach the screws to the rear base, position on the back frame of the product, and threaded with the alley and nut, tightening with the indicated key until it is firm. Repeat the process with the front base. Adjust the effort regulator for stage 1. Engage the stress regulator cable in the extender. Take the wire from the speed sensor and engage the generator. Insert access wire into the main structure and snap on the tower. Snap the screws and washers into the tower and screw the wrench indicated until it's firm. Loosen the screws on the sides of the tower. Attach the mobile handle to the mobile handle holder. Reattach the screws and nuts on the sides of the tower. Repeat the process on the other side. Check the side where the shoe rack belongs and snap the candle foot together by threading with the indicated wrench. And fix it with the nut and the alley on the other side of the sail bar. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Fits the ends of the structures, lining up the holes and passing the screws through, and staring with the nut on the other side. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Attach mobile pickups to mobile frame, lining up the holes and passing screw through, and staring with the nut on the other side. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Attach the catcher fix to the tower and secure with the screws, and the alley and the indicated key until it gets firm. After fixing, snap on the finish. Start fixing the shoe by positioning it on the support and secure with screws and nuts. Remove screws and washers from the back of the panel. Loosen heart rate sensor wires and remove the finish from the side hole of the tower to pass the sensor wires through the side hole to the top exit of the tower. Attach the finish to the wires and then snap the hole back in. Open the cover and insert the batteries into the back of the monitor. Engage the sensor wires to the monitor wires and insert the excess wire into the tower. Fasten the monitor with the washer screws and the key indicated. Attach the finish to the mobile handle structure and secure using the screws and key indicated. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Fit the finish to the shoe support frame and secure using the screws and key indicated. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Attach the finish to the screw on the back of the shoe support frame on both sides. The assembly of your product is finished.